On my way to work. Apparently everybody knows that there's a big old sale today. Holy cow. Already packed first thing in the morning. Apparently they clearance the hell out of everything on January 22nd every year. Good looking out to William, who told me that in the comment section. Dude, first thing in the morning, everything's already cleared out. This place is never like super packed, but it's usually not like that. Wow. I just wanted to show you guys one or two things that's been marked down. Maybe probably had to be out here like right when this spot opened, right when all of them first opened. Holy cow. Are these GT jumps? These are GT jumps. These ain't bad. These ain't bad. Size 12 right here. This would match a bunch of Niners gear. 65 for those. Got some Under Armours right here with that Flow midsole. These are going for $50. Some New Balance skate shoes, 440 size 10 and a half, going for $35. Trying to find stuff. No, see, this is marked down. I was under the impression everything's going to be like $1 or something if things have been marked down. Maybe not. Some Solutions right here. Reebok Solutions, $35. Under Armour cleats that I saw last week, $23. These Under Armours are marked down, but no, not seeing the crazy sales. In the apparel section, nice little Nike t-shirt right here, normally $30, $17 for that large. Wisconsin Under Armour t-shirt, this looks like an XL, $15. Hearing alarms, not seeing any crazy markdowns. Like, see, stuff's marked down, but it's not like, not crazy. Had to hit up the Improv, had a little comedy show to hit up. Great show. Comic Wars, had to hit the show up. All right, did go to work, did go do my taxes, also did go to the comedy club. Now I'm out off of Fairfax, 20 minutes before they close. Then they had their blowout sales, of course. Pretty empty. That is kind of what I expected. Saw online all kinds of crazy sales that people did pick up. Not really seeing much, $15. And of course, it's right before they close, so I doubt they did a restock right before. But I did go first thing in the morning as well, and you know, there still wasn't that much that I saw. $25 for these. Some Vans right here, $35. Some of y'all found all kinds of stuff on sale today. What do you have? $13 for these. Baseball cleats right here. I don't even know what brand this is. Not even Under Armour or Nike. These are down to $21. Still not even a great deal. Football cleats right here for $23. Not even on sale. What the hell? Under Armour cleats, $15 for these. These are size 6. Too big. These are $23. And some baby ones. Grade school. $47 here. Dan Smith's in grade school. Yeah, $35 for those. Shelves are bare as hell. Did I miss out like that? All the racks just bare as hell today. Under Armour, kind of a hoodie, $15 for that. That's bright as hell. Not much though, man. I wish I had more time today, but I said I had to go do my taxes. I had to do all kinds of stuff. I'll show you how much my taxes cost. Y'all want to be YouTubers. Y'all want to own your business. I'll show y'all how much the taxes cost. Women's section right here, Super Reps, $53. Got some Brooks Ghost right here for $65. Right above that, some Asics right here, $50. Under Armour's, $50. Everything got picked clean, it looks like. More Under Armour's right here for $50. Old School Reeboks right here going for $38. Not much else, you guys. Not much else to really show you guys. Man, they're about to close up. I think we're out, man. Look at the line, dude. They have a pretty big line. All right, I guess I'll go to some more stores, I guess, tomorrow. All right. I did head to a car dealership out in this area. So out in Pacoima. Is there anything left the day after sales day? I know the hardcore people were out and about like crazy yesterday. Probably this morning, $235 for the Solutions right here. This is smaller size. Pumas, Down to $17. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. I was curious to see if they still have stuff marked down, and I guess they still do. I didn't think they would reprice everything up, but question is there anything left? No price tag on this one. Oh wait, yeah, nothing. Got an alarm going off already. Got some Adidas right here. I don't even know what the hell these are called. $53. Vans right here, 33. Too much. Got some Under Armour Hover size 10 going for 50. More Under Armours right here. Some training or lifting shoes going for 40 bucks. Thrasher Vans collab going for 40. Got surround sound for the alarms. Got these right here. These look like some Irish what is it? Under Armour's right here. And Under Armour does sponsor Notre Dame, so 50 bucks for these. These are 10.5. Hoka still going for 90. Got some Immortalities with the alarm going off, 65 bucks. I know this sale happened, but damn, I didn't get no luck. Of course, I didn't have time to go to that many shops. $40 for the T-Mac ones right here is 11.5. What are these? The pre-days? The pre-days or the Flyknit Racers? $53. Even checking the hue sizes, not really seeing anything. 50 bucks. $65 for the Cosmic Unities right here. Nothing crazy. Under Armour cleats still $16. And these are these Vans? What the hell are these? Creative Recreations. Go for 12 bucks still. Dang it. Project Rock backpacks. Making it here. These are pretty nice. Pretty nice. Like not super thick, but seems pretty decent. $90 retail. I don't see a Ross tag on it though. No Ross tag. Go see if we could get it for 50 cents. Jordan backpacks. Remember seeing this at the outlet. $60 is insane though. 60 bucks. We saw it cheaper at the outlets. Another Project Rock right here. And yeah, 50 bucks. 50 bucks. That's crazy. One of these shirts. It's like a short sleeve. 70 down to 17 bucks. Not bad for Nike. I don't know what that's for though. Nike running t-shirt 40 down to 15. These are all mediums. 30 down to 15 for this large right here. All right, last stop. Shout out to the homie in line who watched my channel. Appreciate ya. They got anything? Pretty big cleats right here. $28. Got these Uggs right here. $20, I guess. Okay. Got some Project Rock right here going for 55. Those are size 15 though. Oh, there we go. Finally seen something. Okay, $2.50. These are size 18 though. Size 18. Finally found something. That's a really good deal if that's your size, I guess. I think these are kids' batting gloves. But yeah, dude. Hella cheap at $6. $6. Ankle sleeve down to $6. Gonna be honest, not much else though, to be really honest. Checking the entire sports section. Not much. Got some receiver gloves. These look huge though. These are what, double, triple XL? Like I said, quadruple XL and no price tag. And sneaker section just cleaned out. Yeah, other than like the huge sections, everything looks to be gone. Everything was combed over. Everything on sale out. They probably haven't restocked yet. Got more of these. The Notre Dame shoes right here going for 45. And that's about it, yo. That's about it. They are starting to get more and more Jordan backpacks. Not really liking the prices on these yet. These are $40 for the camo Jordans. Got this little one right here as well, because it's significantly smaller than the other ones. 40 bucks. And got that one right there as well. Prices ain't right though. Then an apparel section. I think this is Stitches brand. Yep. Mediums go for 25 with the Dodgers logo on it. Got a couple. Quality does not seem bad. Not thick, but not bad. Adidas shirt. This is like super thick. Look at this. $80 t-shirt. $80 freaking t-shirt down to 20 bucks. It is super thick. It seems short though. What the hell? Also got a Yankees one right here. 25. Double XL. Was not aware that Indiana University is at Indiana University. Sponsored by Adidas. Was not aware of that. $17 for that. Okay. 17 bucks. That's not bad. Reebok hoodie right there down to 18. Nike Seattle Mariners. Who is this? I have no clue who that is. Kikuchi? I don't know. $80. $8 for that. I got these interesting Nike fleece jackets XL for 30. Damn, colors are crazy on that one. I did scour the women's section. Did not really find anything in the women's shoe section to show you guys. I hope you guys follow all the social media pages and stuff like that. I saw on social media a lot of people talking about it. I saw Hustler Hacks talk about it. I saw William in the comment section talking about it. So hopefully you guys were able to get some deals for hella cheap here at Ross. Like I said, I was working most of the time, so was not able to be out there like that. Lines were insane. Record lines at Ross. Usually pretty bad, but it was like way worse. But yeah, I hope you guys were able to score. But yeah, pretty much done. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for making it to the end. We're gonna wrap it up, man. Help your boy, press that like button. If you're new, subscribe. If you want to get all my videos early, check out that membership. We're gonna wrap it up, man. So some of y'all say y'all wanna be a business owner, huh? $500 to do my tax, you guys. $500. That's what happens when you own a business and you have a W-9. $500, man. Damn.